Julie, Marathon, Florida is in the central part of the Florida Keys, and it was one of the hardest hit places by Hurricane Irma, as you could see by the damage in this neighborhood. Authorities today, just a few hours ago, finally started to let some people back into this community. Unfortunately, not only were their homes destroyed, but they were kept away from their homes for nearly a week. There's still not power, there's still not running water, no air conditioning or sewage in many parts of Marathon, but people are grateful that they can at least finally get back in to see the damage. Just a short while ago, we spoke to a woman who just surveyed her property, and here's what she had to say.
I was pacing the floor and trying to calm down. Not easy. You only have a certain amount of clothing with you, and pretty clean people, so I didn't want any dirty clothes. That's stupid, I know. I'm thinking how we're going to get it all back because of our age.